Oh, we got one for y'all today. Look at this. Look at this. Damn. That is an eagle, y'all. And it is tearing damn feathers off that seagull. This is dinner today. He just got himself a seagull. He's got a little crow there bothering him. This is amazing. You ever seen anything like this before? You ever seen anything like this before? Them crows trying to get some of that seagull too. You can see them. Whoop, plucking them feathers. I don't know if y'all can see this. There's kind of a snowstorm going on here. Let me see if I can get out. Get a little closer. So you can't be bothering these men. You can't be bothering these birds here because they're protected. He's just getting his daily lunch on. Eating them damn seagulls. Wow, that is wicked. I think Benjamin Franklin said this country's birds should be like a turkey because they're proud and other stuff. Eagles, them ferocious when they want to be, but mainly just opportunistic.
I'm clear at First National.
Your mom's clear, First National. Wow, that's amazing. Wow. Starting to see some blood, guts coming out. Sorry.